Right, so today I'll be showing you how to remove or replace the battery of your HP laptop. Now this is an older one. This is the HP EliteBook 840, so it's pretty old laptop. So in case you want to replace the battery or just to remove the battery for some reason, just make sure the laptop is turned off and the power disconnected, and then you want to pick it up and put it on its backside. Okay, now here you should see this latch here. Now normally it should stay closed like that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open this latch. You can just slide it like that, and once you see red, it means it's open. Now with that open, it basically opens this cover. Okay, so you can now just slide it out. Just make sure it's open completely, then slide the cover out like that. Okay, so that's the back cover. Now once you get rid of that back cover, you can now see the battery. So this is the battery of your laptop. Now this one also has two latches. One is this one. Okay, so just push it open like that, and then you should see another one here. Now this one is a bit more difficult to pull open, so you might want to put something in there, maybe something blunt into that hole, beg your pardon, into that hole, then push it down, and you should hear it click. And once it clicks, you can now use this little thing to pull out the battery like that. Okay, so there is the battery. That's what the battery looks like. Now if you want to put it back, or if you have a replacement battery, it's the same process. Just hold the battery like this. You can see what the battery looks like. So hold the battery like this, place it back like that, then just give it some pressure. You should hear it click in place, and then this other side, just slide the latch to keep it shut like that. And then you can take your back cover, place it like that there. Okay, just a little space remaining, and then now you can push it into the lock position and then close the latch like that. Simple as that. That's how to remove and possibly replace the battery of your HP laptop. Okay, so let's see if that was done correctly. Yeah, so the laptop boots right up. That's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.